This is a 2013 Dodge Durango. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: the Uconnect infotainment system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 21,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Mercedes-Benz of Encino is located at 16721 Ventura Boulevard in Encino. Stop by our dealership or visit us at www.mbencino.com. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.